One day, the farmer told to Anjali, let us plant a mango seed. She was very happy to plant it, and she used to water it every day. The seed soon grew into a plant. The plant grew into a mango tree and it bore lots of sweet mangoes. One day, Anjali saw a bird building a nest on the tree. She was very happy seeing the small babies of the bird. When Anjali was working in the farm, she saw an old grandmother crying. She asked, "What happened, Grandma?" The grandma said, "I'm starving for the past 2 days. Can you give me something to eat?" Anjali thought for a while and plucked a few mangoes from the tree and gave it to Grandma. Grandma felt better. She blessed Anjali and went away. A person selling cats felt very tired walking under the hot sun. So he took a nap under the mango tree. When he got up, he felt better and left. Then one day, Anjali saw a woodcutter who had come to cut the mango tree. Anjali requested him not to do it. He was not ready to listen to Anjali. Anjali ran and called the grandma and the cat seller to convince the woodcutter. All of them tried convincing the woodcutter. Grandma said, "Please don't cut this tree. It gave me food to eat." The cat seller said, "It gave me shelter when I was very tired." But the woodcutter didn't listen to anyone, and he cut all the trees and took away the wood. All of them were very sad. After a few days, the woodcutter's wife was walking through that way and she couldn't bear the heat. She fainted and fell down. That is when the woodcutter realized he should not have cut any tree, but rather planted a tree. The same day, he planted a mango seed. He started watering it every day and was very happy to see his tree growing.